My beloved brothers and sisters, I come to you as your elder brother, your friend, and the master of love. I speak now of a moment that carries deep meaning for the world. On the 12th day of September in the year 2025, 111 years have passed since I first came to my faithful servant, James Padgett, with the message that opened again the door to my true gospel, the gospel of divine love. That moment in the year 1914 was not a small event, though the world scarcely noticed. It was the quiet beginning of the second coming, not of my body, but of my word and my truth, carried in spirit to awaken the souls of humankind. The number 111 is not by chance. It is a sign of oneness, of new beginnings, and of the Father's living presence. In the Hebrew tongue, it reflects Aleph, the first letter, symbol of God's unity. And in your lives, it calls you to remember that you are not divided, but one with your Creator, when you open your heart to His love. Now, as these 111 years are fulfilled, I tell you this: the time of preparation is giving way to the time of evangelization. My messages of divine love are not meant to be hidden or reserved for a few, but to flow outward like a river that cannot be contained. This is the next phase of my coming, where the truth will spread from heart to heart, from nation to nation, until every soul has the chance to hear that the Father's love is real, available, and transforming. Do not think that the task is already complete. The last century has been but a seed time, a hidden planting. Now comes the growth, the harvest, the joyful sharing. You, my dear ones, are called to be part of this great work, not by force, nor by fear, nor by doctrine carved in stone, but by the living witness of love that shines through your soul when the Father's gift fills you. And remember, give thanks that my gospel has been restored to the world. Rejoice that 111 years mark not an end, but a beginning. The beginning of the worldwide evangelization of divine love. Stand ready, for I will be with you, guiding, inspiring, and blessing every sincere effort to carry the message of the new birth to all peoples. And know this: you are never alone. The Father's love surrounds you, and I walk beside you as brother and friend. This is the true sign of my coming, not in clouds of fear, but in the quiet triumph of love entering the human heart. Peace be with you always.